heart racing at 6 a.m., thoughts spinning before your feet hit the floor, that knot in your stomach, all before you even get to your first cup of coffee. Sound familiar? I know it all too well because I've been there. Take a deep breath with me right now. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 4. How did that feel? If your mornings are starting off like this, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's explore how a simple 10-minute journaling practice can transform your mornings and bring some peace to your day. Before we dive in, a quick note. Journaling is a wonderful tool for self-reflection and managing anxiety, but it's not a substitute for professional therapy. If you're struggling with persistent anxiety, consider reaching out to a mental health professional for additional support. Morning anxiety is more common than you might think. According to a 2024 study by the National Sleep Foundation, 78% of professionals report experiencing morning anxiety, often peaking between 6 to 8 a.m. It's like waking up to a mental storm before the day has even begun. But here's the good news. With the right tools, you can change that. Let's start by understanding why journaling is such a game changer for your mornings and how you can make it work for you. Your brain in the morning is like a cluttered desk. Thoughts everywhere, tasks scattered, and emotions piling up. The brain dump technique is your first step toward creating clarity. Spend 5 minutes writing down everything in your head. It doesn't have to make sense or follow a structure. Just let the words flow. What's everything on my mind right now? Grab a piece of paper or your notes app and write down 3 things weighing on your mind. Pause this video if you need to. Done? Notice how just naming those thoughts give them less power. Now that you've cleared the noise, let's take things a step further by working with those thoughts. Once you've laid it all out, it's time to reframe and navigate your emotions. You're not trying to fix everything. You are shifting your perspective. Choose one thought from your brain dump. Ask yourself, what's one small step I can take to address this? What would I say to a friend in my situation? What's one positive truth I'm forgetting? Take a second and answer this. What's one thing you can control today? Write it down or say it out loud. By reframing, you're not only managing your anxiety, you're also steering it toward action. When anxiety has you focused on everything going wrong, gratitude helps you see what's going right. It doesn't have to be big, it just has to be real. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. What's one thing that made me smile yesterday? What's something small I often overlook but appreciate? Who or what brought me comfort recently? Drop one thing you're grateful for in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and you might just inspire someone else. Gratitude shifts your mindset, but let's take it a step further by setting intentions for the day ahead. Setting intentions gives your morning a purpose. Think of it like creating a roadmap for your day. Write down 1 to 3 small goals for the day and pair them with an uplifting mantra. Today, I will focus on, I'll remind myself of this truth when things get hard. A small win I'm aiming for today is, pick one of these prompts and complete it now. Write it in the comments or keep it in your journal. Either way, you're taking the first step to owning your day. Journaling is not only helpful, it's backed by science. A 2023 study in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine found that morning journaling reduced anxiety symptoms by 37% in just 30 days. A 2024 study in Psychological Reports showed a 23% decrease in cortisol levels, your body's stress hormone, after 2 weeks of consistent journaling. This is all about progress, not perfection. And research shows that small, consistent actions like journaling make a big difference. I don't have time. Start with 3 minutes. Keep your journal by your bed or use a voice-to-text app. I'm not consistent. Attach journaling to something you already do, like drinking coffee. I don't like handwriting. Try digital options like Day 1 or 5-minute journal, or even voice notes. Now that you know how to start, let's wrap things up with a little community activity. Here's something different. Write a morning letter to your future self. In it, describe how you want to feel tomorrow morning after journaling. What mindset or intention do you want to wake up with? Share a line from your letter in the comments, or simply keep it for yourself. I'll be reading through and joining the conversation. Morning journaling has been such a meaningful practice for me as an introspective person. It's a quiet space to reflect, reset, and prepare for the day ahead. I hope it brings you the same sense of calm and clarity. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to explore more journaling ideas and tools on my channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more ways to cultivate peace and purpose in your life. And don't forget to check out the playlist designed to guide you wherever you are on your journaling journey. Thanks for spending time with me today. I can't wait to hear how your journaling practice grows. See you in the next video.